Today's showcase we have Ada, Jane, and Mabel. These were made out of basswood, laser cut, painted, and it does have vinyl. The names are vinyl, same as for the faces. So we use three different colors, that's black, red, and white vinyls, and these are available at customtrackmasters.com. If interested, go check my webpage. Link in the description. So here's the models, really nice, cool details. And let's do a test run on this model with Scarroy. So there they come. Really nice set, made out of wood, basswood. Really cool set. Like I said, if you're interested, customtrackmasters.com, link in the description. Very nice models. Look at that. Amazing.